I'm Abu Bakr Al-Mala, and this is Al-Islam, Islamic Pillars, the all-in-one Muslim companion app with Muslim prayers, the Quran, Islamic pillars and fundamentals, and the Arabic alphabet, all while being fully customizable with a clean and simple UI and unique features that no other app has. My sister Tasneem Al-Mala also helped create this app. This app's target audience is Muslims, especially converts who are new to the religion, as I created this app to help my friend who converted learn more about the basics of Islam. However, this app is also beneficial to non-Muslims, as they can learn more about Islam through the pillars, and they can read the Quran. Al-Islam was created with Apple's Swift and SwiftUI via Xcode on my Mac, and it is composed of basic navigation views and lists. I had to use Apple's location manager to get the user's location, but other than that, the app was relatively simple. Let's start off with a prayers view, which has all 5 Muslim prayers, as well as sunrise, which marks the end of the first prayer. The user gets notifications for each prayer if they want. It also shows the Islamic date and the direction to the Kaaba in Mecca. Next comes the Quran, with all 114 chapters, with basic data about each chapter. When you click on a chapter, you can see the Arabic text, the English transliteration, and the English translation. There is an option to bookmark the verse, and play the verse, or copy or share the verse as a text or as an image, something that no other app I have seen have. And then comes the pillar section, which is straightforward, having the basics of Islam, like who is Allah, what is Islam, and the 5 pillars of Islam here. Then there comes the Arabic alphabet view, which is also relatively straightforward, and it helps users strengthen their Arabic to read the Quran in its original language. The view has each letter with its different forms and vowels. The forms are there because each letter looks different depending on its position in the word, and it can be hard to recognize them if you are new to Arabic. Finally comes the settings view. There are notification settings, so you can choose when to get notifications and even pre-notifications to know when each prayer time ends. There are also different prayer calculation methods that you can have depending on what you want. You can also change your home city to whatever you want here, because in Islam, if you travel more than 48 miles, you are supposed to shorten your prayer times. And this app automatically determines if you are traveling and shortens the prayers for you. You can also do this manually. And this is something that I have seen no other app has. And as you can see, there are only 3 prayers as well as sunrise instead of the normal 5 prayers. Then in the Quran section, you can change the font and the font sizes and what you want to show exactly. And then there's also this unique feature called Arabic Beginner Mode, which puts a space between each letter in the Arabic text, helping beginners recognize letters when reading the Quran, making it easy for them because instead of being thrusted with having to memorize not just all the letters, but also all their forms, they can first memorize all the letters and slowly learn all the forms. You can also customize the appearance of the app, like light or dark mode and the accent colors here, as well as other views. All of these features were added as they are features that I've always wanted in Islamic apps, but unfortunately no app had them. Plus, I did add some of these because I wanted to help my convert friend with Islam and stuff, and there comes a notification. And yeah, that's Al-Islam. Thank you.